Do you wake up feeling heavy? Do you look in the mirror and see a tummy that feels puffy and uncomfortable? So many of us start our day feeling sluggish, tired, and bloated. We often think this is just a normal part of life. We blame it on a big dinner the night before. Or maybe, we think it's just how our bodies are. This feeling of being weighed down can steal your energy before your day has even truly begun. It makes it hard to feel motivated, to choose healthy foods, or even to find the energy to play with your children. The truth is, this feeling is not normal. It is a sign from your body. It is a signal that something is not quite right inside. Our modern world is full of foods that are processed and hard for our bodies to digest. We eat things with hidden sugars, unhealthy fats, and chemicals our grandparents would not even recognize. These foods can create a traffic jam in your digestive system, particularly in your colon. This internal congestion can lead to a buildup of waste and toxins, which is a primary cause of that persistent morning bloat and the fatigue that so often comes with it. Many people simply ignore these important signals. They reach for another cup of coffee to fight the tiredness. They wear loose clothing to hide the bloating. They accept this low-energy state as their new reality. But imagine waking up feeling light. Imagine feeling a flat tummy and a clear mind. Imagine having so much natural energy that you feel ready to take on anything the day throws at you. This isn't a distant dream, it is something you can achieve. You do not have to live with that uncomfortable, heavy feeling anymore. Your body is asking for help, and the solution is simpler than you think. There is a powerful, all-natural way to help your body reset each morning. It is a simple drink you can make in your own kitchen in less than 2 minutes. This isn't a complicated diet or an expensive supplement. It is an easy, safe, and effective solution that can bring you fast results. This morning elixir is designed to gently cleanse your colon, flush out toxins, and fire up your metabolism. It helps your body do what it is naturally designed to do, digest food efficiently, and create energy. It's time to stop accepting bloating and fatigue as normal, and start a new chapter of feeling fantastic. So, what is this magical morning drink? It is a simple, powerful concoction made from 4 ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. This is your secret weapon against bloating and sluggishness. The first ingredient is warm water. Not hot, not cold, but comfortably warm. This is the base of our elixir, and it is crucial for waking up your digestive system gently. The warmth helps to relax the muscles in your intestines, and gets things moving without the shock that cold water can sometimes cause first thing in the morning. It's like a gentle, warm hug for your insides. The second ingredient is the juice of half a fresh lemon. Lemons are a true superfood. They are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, which are fantastic for your immune system. But for our purposes, the magic of lemon juice lies in its ability to stimulate your liver. Your liver is your body's main detoxification organ. Giving it a little boost with lemon juice in the morning helps it to flush out accumulated toxins more effectively. The acidic nature of lemon juice also mimics your stomach's natural digestive juices, helping to kickstart the entire digestive process for the day ahead. Next, we add a splash of apple cider vinegar, or ACV as it's often called. Look for a brand that is raw, unfiltered, and contains the mother. That cloudy stuff you see at the bottom of the bottle is where all the good stuff is. It contains beneficial bacteria, enzymes, and proteins. ACV is a powerhouse for gut health. It helps to balance your stomach's pH levels, which improves digestion and can reduce issues like acid reflux. It also helps your body absorb more nutrients from the food you eat later in the day, meaning you get more bang for your buck from every healthy meal. Finally, we add a tiny pinch of cayenne pepper. Now don't be scared, you only need a very small amount. Inserdobiskas de lideriga son dendobermal brawl. Besomen de dongsten manins beden. Cayenne pepper contains a compound called capsaicin, which is what gives it its heat. Capsaicin is brilliant for boosting your metabolism. It slightly raises your body temperature, which encourages your body to burn more calories. It also stimulates circulation and helps to move blood and nutrients throughout your digestive tract. Together, these 4 ingredients create a synergistic elixir that works in harmony to cleanse, energize, and prepare your body for a great day. Let's look a little closer at the science that makes this drink so effective. It all starts with the warm water. When you are asleep, your body is in a state of rest and repair, but it is also dehydrating. Drinking warm water first thing in the morning is the gentlest way to rehydrate your cells and your colon. A hydrated colon is a happy colon. It allows waste to pass through smoothly and prevents the constipation that can lead to bloating and a feeling of heaviness. The warmth also stimulates peristalsis, which is the wave-like muscle contractions that move food and waste through your intestines. The lemon juice plays a critical role as a digestive aid. Its atomic structure is very similar to your stomach's own hydrochloric acid. This means that when it enters your system, it signals to your liver to produce more bile, an essential fluid for breaking down fats. This process effectively jumpstarts your entire digestive system, preparing it for the food you will eat later. This is why it is so important to drink it on an empty stomach. You are essentially turning on the engine of your digestion before you put any fuel in, ensuring that everything runs smoothly from the very start. Apple cider vinegar with the mother is a fermented food, making it a source of probiotics. These are the friendly bacteria that live in your gut and are essential for good health. A modern diet high in sugar and processed foods can kill off these good bacteria, allowing bad bacteria to take over. This imbalance can lead to bloating, gas, and poor nutrient absorption. By introducing the beneficial bacteria from ACV, you help to restore a healthy balance in your gut microbiome. A balanced gut is the foundation of not just good digestion, but also a strong immune system and even a stable mood. The final touch, cayenne pepper, acts as a powerful metabolic stimulant. The capsaicin it contains is a thermogenic agent, which means it generates heat. This process increases your metabolic rate, helping your body to burn fat for energy more efficiently. It also improves blood circulation, ensuring that all the other beneficial components of the drink, as well as oxygen and nutrients, are delivered effectively to all your cells. Think of it as the spark that ignites your internal furnace. This combination provides a holistic approach. It cleanses, primes digestion, balances gut flora, and boosts your metabolism, all in one simple morning sip. Let me tell you about Sarah, a 42-year-old working mother. Sarah came to me feeling exhausted. She told me she woke up every single morning feeling bloated and puffy. She was relying on 3 cups of strong coffee just to get through her mornings, but she still felt like she was moving through fog. She was frustrated because she was trying to eat healthily and exercise, but nothing seemed to touch the constant fatigue and discomfort. She had accepted this as her new normal, a consequence of getting older and having a busy life. Her confidence was low, and she felt disconnected from her own body. I suggested she try this simple morning elixir. At first, she was skeptical. How could something so simple make a real difference when her other efforts had failed? She was particularly worried about the taste of the apple cider vinegar and the spice from the cayenne, but she was so fed up with feeling unwell that she was willing to give anything a try. I told her to commit to it for just 1 week and see how she felt. That was all I asked. 1 week to create a new habit that could change everything for her. Sarah started the very next day. She mixed the warm water, lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, and a tiny pinch of cayenne. She told me later that the first sip was a surprise, but not in a bad way. It was tangy and had a little kick, but it felt cleansing. Within just 3 days, she noticed a change. She woke up, and the first thing she realized was that the tight, bloated feeling in her stomach was gone. She felt lighter. By the end of the first week, she was a new woman. She was waking up before her alarm clock, feeling refreshed and clear-headed. After a month, Sarah's transformation was remarkable. She had more energy than she'd had in years, and had cut back to just 1 cup of coffee in the morning, which she drank for pleasure, not necessity. Her digestion was regular for the first time she could remember, but the biggest change was in her mindset. Feeling good physically gave her a new sense of confidence and control over her health. Sarah's story shows that you don't need drastic measures to see drastic results. Sometimes, the most profound changes come from the simplest, most consistent habits. This morning drink gave her body the support it needed to heal itself. Are you ready to make this your new morning ritual? It is incredibly easy. Here are the exact instructions to get the best results. The most important rule is timing. You must drink this on a completely empty stomach as soon as you wake up. This allows the ingredients to work their magic without being diluted or interfered with by any other food. Think of it as the very first thing you give your body each day. Wait at least 20 to 30 minutes after drinking it before you have your breakfast or your morning coffee. This gives the elixir time to cleanse your system and prepare it for digestion. Here is the recipe. You will need 1 large mug of warm, filtered water, about 250 to 350 milliliters. Make sure the water is not boiling hot, as this can destroy the delicate enzymes in the lemon and vinegar. It should be a comfortable temperature to drink straight away. Squeeze in the juice of half a fresh lemon. Add 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. Remember to look for one that contains the mother. Finally, add just a tiny pinch of cayenne pepper. If you are new to cayenne, start with a very small amount, less than 1/8 of a teaspoon, and you can gradually increase it as you get used to it. Stir all the ingredients together well and drink it down. Don't sip it slowly over half an hour like a cup of tea. It is best to drink it relatively quickly within a minute or two to get the full effect on your digestive system. Some people prefer to drink it through a straw to protect the enamel on their teeth from the acidity of the lemon and vinegar. This is a great tip. After you have finished your drink, you can rinse your mouth with plain water. This simple act helps to wash away any remaining acid and keeps your teeth healthy and strong. Now, let's address some common questions. What if you really dislike the taste? Try starting with less apple cider vinegar, perhaps just a teaspoon, and gradually increase it. The same goes for the cayenne. What if you don't like spicy things at all? You can leave the cayenne out. You will still get amazing benefits from the warm water, lemon, and ACV. As for side effects, this drink is safe for most people. However, if you have a sensitive stomach or a history of ulcers, you might want to start with a more diluted version or check with your doctor first. For best results, consistency is key. Make this a daily habit to continuously support your digestive health. This morning drink is a fantastic start, but you can amplify its benefits by adopting a few other simple habits. Think of this elixir as the key that starts the engine. These other tips are the premium fuel that will keep it running beautifully all day long. One of the best things you can do after your morning drink is to move your body gently. You don't need an intense workout. A simple 10-minute routine of light stretching, a brisk walk around your garden, or some gentle yoga can do wonders. This movement helps to physically stimulate your intestines, encouraging the cleansing process you have just initiated. Hydration is your best friend throughout the day. After your initial morning cleanse, make it a goal to drink plenty of plain water. This keeps everything moving through your digestive system and helps your body to continue flushing out toxins. Many people mistake thirst for hunger, so staying well hydrated can also help you make better food choices and avoid unnecessary snacking. Try carrying a reusable water bottle with you as a constant reminder. Adding a slice of lemon or cucumber to your water can make it more appealing if you find plain water boring. Pay attention to what you eat for the rest of the day. To support the cleansing work of your morning elixir, try to incorporate more fiber-rich foods into your diet. Things like oats, chia seeds, leafy greens, berries and lentils act like a broom for your colon, sweeping away old waste. These foods also feed the good bacteria in your gut, helping to maintain the healthy microbiome that your morning dose of ACV is supporting. Reducing your intake of processed foods, refined sugar and heavy greasy meals will give your digestive system a much-needed break and allow it to function optimally. Finally, remember the powerful connection between your gut and your brain. When you start your day by taking this positive step for your health, it sets a wonderful tone. The mental clarity that comes from a less sluggish body can be profound. You may find you have better focus at work and a more positive outlook on life. This journey is about more than just beating the bloat. It is about reclaiming your energy, your confidence, and your overall wellness. I encourage you to start this simple routine tomorrow morning. Don't wait. Your body will thank you, and I would love to hear about your experience.